So y'all, I've already set out what I'm going to be wearing for today. Over here I have this dress that I got from Zara. I love this dress because it has like some cuts here on the sides. I love the detail, and it's a midi dress. It goes all the way to below my knee. I'm also gonna be pairing it with these shoes, these sandals. I love them. They're from H&M. I think they look like they give me this bohemian type of vibe. And then I am currently in a cab. I'm gonna go meet up Jenny for lunch, and yeah, that's basically it. I was in such a rush this morning, so I didn't get enough time to like make an intro or tell you guys what the agenda is for the day. But now you guys know. I'm just gonna meet up Jenny for lunch, get back home, do some cleaning and some editing or content creating, and yeah, that is it. I'll show you guys my old OOTD later, but it's black and white, neutrals, white dress. I'll show you guys later.
I never thought I'd feel like this. Ooh, I never thought I could. Yeah. I never thought I'd be on my shit, be on my. I'm spending my time in love like I should, and no more struggling. I'm all good. Yeah, I never thought I'd feel like this. Feel like
trusted you to show me how nothing is perfect. That's alright for now.
Okay y'all, I didn't show you my OOTD when I left home. I'm gonna show you now. Okay, let me see which angle is perfect. So I'm wearing this dress from H&M, and these are also, my slippers are from H&M, and jewelry, got it online. Let me put this here. Okay lang, watch umbrella.
You to show me how nothing is perfect. That's alright for now. Yeah, for now. Traveling beneath the ground, left and right, don't hear no sound right now. Yeah, right now.
Okay, this is so cheap.
tell me what you want, babe, and you'll get it. Look at where you got me. Don't forget it, 'cause I can give you what you need. I'll be your fantasy. I got
Oh, you guys can't see me, I switched up my hairstyle a little bit. Turn this around. Not bad. It's a nearby coffee shop, no, a nearby restaurant, a local restaurant to eat something. Yeah, and then afterwards we're gonna go to the coffee shop where we were at earlier on. They didn't have like a good menu, you know, they had like really dumb food, so we just decided to stop to eat local food. Hainan noodles. Yeah, Hainan noodles. Just Hainan fan. So we just decided to stop by and eat Hainan noodles, and then I'm gonna have some dumplings, and yeah, that is it. It's my dumpling. From shooting content with Janie and meeting up with Janie for lunch. Whenever we meet up, we always make sure we get nice pictures going on. So that's what we did. I'm glad and happy because at least I got some content for Instagram. Yo, so now I'm just gonna clean my place up. It is so messy, extremely messy, so it's gonna take a while. I need to clean it, I need to like depot my plants, I need to put on new plants, and now I'm gonna go out to the market or the supermarket afterwards. So yeah, I don't know if I will film the whole process of cleaning up. Maybe I will, maybe not, I'm gonna see. It depends on my battery. So yeah, y'all, I'm extremely exhausted, and also I don't know, I want to switch up things a little bit in this place. I don't like how it's looking like right now. It's getting me a little bit depressed, making me depressed a little bit. So I feel like I need to declutter. I need just like a day where I need to like get rid of most of the things, especially furniture, which I don't even have. I just have one couch, but even though I just want to get rid of certain stuff and just make sure it's extremely minimal, because yo, when I see this place my head just goes crazy. So it's a sign that I'm done and I'm tired of certain things. Plus autumn is around the corner. Autumn is here already. Fall, for those who don't speak British English, it's fall. So I like my place to be, I just want it to be like, to feel like a new space, yeah, in time for the new season. So yeah. Yo, baby hairs, I'm done with baby hairs. Okay, no more baby hairs. Who cares if there's no baby hairs? As long as you've got ages, that's it. Okay, you guys, later.